Alright, so it's probably about 10:15 p.m. and had a very long day, long evening, and sometimes you just have to do things whenever you can. Don't have time in the morning, but this box here, or hive here, needs another super full of bees, and I'm afraid if I don't give them more work, they may want to try to leave me. They are still, bees don't stop working, as you can tell. I really don't want them, agitate them at this time, because they will get very defensive. So I'm actually going to put this down, put another box on top, and try not to get them too disturbed when I open the box.